Good morning, class. Today I will discuss the question and answer of the poem Tale of the Custard the Dragon. Thinking about the poem. Who are the characters in the poem? List them with their pet names. There are 5 characters described in this poem: a girl, Belinda, a black kitten, a mouse, a dog, and a dragon. List with their pet names: girl Belinda, a black kitten Ink, a little grey mouse Blink, a little yellow dog Mustard, a little dragon Custard. Why did Custard cry for nice safe cage? Why is dragon called cowardly dragon? Custard cried for nice safe cage to hide in it in case of danger. Custard the dragon had big sharp teeth. He had spikes on the top of his body and scales underneath. His mouth was like fireplace and his nose was like chimney. Thus, outward appearance was very strong and ferocious, but inward he was covered. That is why the dragon is called he cowardly dragon. Belinda tickled him. She tickled him unmercifully. Why? Belinda tickled him as it was her way to get enjoyment. She made his fun. She loved to get fun like this. She troubled the dragon for his cowardice. She wanted to change him, so she encouraged him like this, and she wanted that dragon too show his bravery. The poet has employed many poetic devices in the poem. For example, clashed his tail like iron in the dungeon. The poetic device here is simile, and you with your partner list the more poetic device used in the poem. Simile is a figures of speech where the comparison word like, as, so are used, and metaphor in this line, chimney for a nose, metaphor figures of speech is used. Belinda was as brave as simile is here, because in simile like, as, so, where these words are found, simile figures of speech is found. Read the stanza there 3 again to know how to poet describe the appearance of dragon. Already I have discussed this answer. In the 3rd stanza, the poet described the appearance of dragon as custard. This dragon had a big sharp teeth. He had spikes on the top of his body and scales underneath. His mouth was like fireplace and his nose was like chimney. He was a coward. Can you find out rhyme scheme of the 2 or 3 stanza of the poem? The rhyme scheme of the first and second stanza is AABB. The poet has used this rhyme scheme in the entire poem very nicely. Writers use words to give us a picture or image without any actually saying what they mean. Can you trace some image used in the poem? In the poem, the poet is using many images. First, words are used to describe the custard. Then, words are used to describe the image of dragon, and then to describe the image of pirate. Do you find the Tale of the Custard the Dragon to be a serious or light-hearted poem? Give reasons. The poem Tale of the Custard the Dragon is humorous poem, and there are many such reasons that prove it correct. First of all, we take the name of all characters. The name of Belinda's pets are funny. Then we find the pets making fun of Custard for his cowardice. At last we find that All the pets boast of their bravery, but when the pirate enters the house, all of them fled out of fear. Still, try to prove themselves braver than Custard. This poem is a ballad, tells a story. Have you come across any other such modern song or lyric? Light of Asia is an epic that has been read, and it also tells a story in poem. In it we get the story of Prince Siddhartha and son of the king Suddhodana. We get it from the complete story from the life of Gautam Buddha. And the poem that tells a story, that poem is known as the ballad.